I'm about to make what I'm calling a dinner cinnamon roll. It's zero efforts, it's super easy, let's make it. First I'm grabbing a baking pan. I have greased it. Now I'm gonna grab a can of crescent rolls. You can also grab a can of pizza crust, lay it out.
Now if you're using a can of crescent rolls like me, make sure you pinch the perforated edges together. We don't want them to separate. I already have some pre-cooked sausage. I'm gonna sprinkle that on top along with some scrambled eggs and cheese. This is already looking spectacular. Wait for the cinnamon roll part.
Hi, hello, this is a really weird angle, but this is the best way I can show you. We're just gonna keep rolling and rolling and rolling it like a big burrito.
Hang tight with me. It doesn't have to look beautiful. It can look weird like a long log like this. We're gonna bake it now.
Now while she's baking, we're gonna make the frosting, AKA a packet of white country gravy, or make it homemade if you wish. When it's done cooking, you're gonna take a pizza roller and then you're just gonna slice the log.
As you can see, they're not quite perfect circles, but pretty dang close. Now we're just gonna pour our gravy, AKA our frosting, on top. And this is what we call breakfast for dinner cinnamon rolls.
Super fun to make, super fun to eat, and the whole family will love them. You know the drill, we're making a zero effort dinner tonight. I only got 15 minutes, let's go. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm grabbing a baking dish and we are going to open some flaky layers. Make sure you get the flaky layers for this recipe. The chaos is continuing. Okay, we are going to peel these biscuits in half. That's why I said flaky layers, because they're already perforated. You just grab it in the middle and it's gonna rip apart like this. After they're kind of cooked for about 7 minutes, we're gonna top them with provolone and roast beef.
Trust the process. We're gonna put it back in the oven. I've never been a huge fan of roast beef, but these are gonna be really good.
Now my little Sammy's sandwiches are cooking. We're gonna make some au jus sauce to put on top because that makes it absolutely fantastic. I'm not partial to any specific brand. Just pick one that you like and make it according to the directions.
For about 7 more minutes, the cheese is gonna be melted, the roast beef is gonna be cooked to perfection. They're gonna be little sandwiches.
Drizzle that au jus sauce. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks.
Delicious. Serve it up with some green beans, I don't know, macaroni and cheese. All right, you cool cats, let's have a little fun with tonight's zero effort dinner. Let's go. We're gonna start off with some shredded chicken broth.
Add in some buffalo sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese. Lastly, about a half a block of softened cream cheese, all cubed up.
Do a little taste test, it's good. Okay, now we're gonna grab some biscuits.
Now these are pretty big. You can do them big like this, but I like to cut them in half.
I just tear them right down the middle because why dirty another utensil? There you go. You just flatten them out to it until it gets a little circle, and then you feel me, we're just gonna put this in the inside and make it into a little ball.
For reference, here's my little saucer, and now I'm just gonna close it up until the meat is fully inside. I like to put mine in a cast iron skillet and say this is going to make a lot. Now we're gonna bake them.
Here's what they're gonna look like when they're done.
And we brush with garlic, melted butter, parsley, and Parmesan. Gorgeous.
Now these could be a little appetizer, but I'm calling it a dinner because I'm serving it with a buffalo chicken salad kit. Oh my gosh, they're so good. You could dip it in ranch or blue cheese, whatever you fancy.